Hey, welcome back to dashcamtv. Thanks for checking out our channel. We really appreciate the support. In this video, we're heading downtown Belleville over to TSC and across to the hardware store. It's December 24th, 2020, so Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
It's raining like you wouldn't believe for this late in the year. I'm sure by the end of the day it'll be record setting. They're calling for 30 to 40 millimeters of rain. I'm kind of worried about tomorrow once all the groundwater starts to freeze again, when it goes back down to zero, below zero. So we're just going down, I guess, well, that was North Front Street. I'm not sure really where North Front ends and Front Street begins. We're just about to cross over the Moira River here. And even though where I'm going is kind of straight down here, I'm going to hang a right so we can actually go down the main downtown street of Belleville. As you can see, it's very old style with all the little downtown shops. I'm sure they've been hit hard this year, as most small businesses have. And I'm sure everyone knows what I'm referring to. Kind of been the biggest news story, well, not kind of, it has by far been the biggest news story of the year. So I have kind of noticed on our channel, we seem to get some better views from the videos we post using filming from the phone as opposed to the dash cam. The phone is better quality for sure. Hopefully someday I'll invest in a really good dash cam, but just to get this channel going, I basically went with the least expensive one I could find. If you are enjoying our content, please subscribe. As YouTubers know, the more subscribers you have, the better. We're always looking for more. All of us, all YouTubers. Even PewDiePie with his 108 million subscribers, I'm sure he wants more.
Look at it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's wings and a heart.
At Service Ontario.
Yeah.
Probably zoom in with that camera, I'm sure, somehow.
I don't know. That wasn't there before.
So yeah, that is the main strip of downtown Belleville.
Oh my God, did they get rid of the strip club? That was right there?
I think that was gone years ago.
Oh.
And on that note of a strip club being torn down, I guess we'll say goodbye until next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell. Till next time.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye.